All right, everyone, this is Mark from Kleen-Rite. I'm here to talk to you today about bay heaters for your IBAs or your tunnels. Last season or last year, the whole country got hit pretty hard with a cold snap, and there was a lot of emergency calls about heaters. So let's check that stuff. We're rolling into the end of summer. Let's check it before it gets cold and get ahead of the game. So most people have a heater that looks similar to this. There's two different styles. This one has an internal fan. Let's test the heater and make sure that fan is running prior to the cold snap. Other heaters have a fan at the other end. A lot of times they'll get corroded very easily over summer. They don't spin. Check that fan and make sure that's running, because if that fan doesn't run, it doesn't pull air and it will not ignite. Most of these heaters have two lights. One will be a power light. The other one would be a fire light. When you turn the power on, I don't turn my breakers off in the summer because they shouldn't run if your thermostat's working. But make sure you have at least the power light, and then turn your thermostat down and try to get it to fire. That other high fire light will come on. Check your gas line, make sure it's not corroded. A lot of times bay heaters have been up for multiple years. Make sure your brackets aren't rusted and your tubes, the connection points are all solid. Make sure you don't have a rusted chain or a chain that's about ready to break. A lot of times these heater shields, if they're not secured properly, they will move the first time a heater heats up. So make sure all your fasteners are in the heater shield and it's in good shape. If your tube is rusted or there's a hole in it, you need to change that out immediately. That is definitely a danger issue. The other big thing with these bay heaters is making sure that you follow the manufacturer clearances for height and away from the wall. You can see this one's installed pretty well. There's a metal ceiling that's hanging down and it's pointed away from the plastic wall panels. Also make sure that your intake and your exhaust are in good shape, and that nothing's falling apart, because that will affect how the heater operates.